Welcome to the newly refinished Toronto Marriott City Centre Hotel. This transformation was about more than aesthetics. It was about efficiency, durability, and smart renovation. With Bodaq Interior Film, we upgraded surfaces without demolition or mess. These self-adhesive films stick directly onto existing materials, whether it's wood, metal, glass, drywall, or laminate. Installation is quick and hassle-free, no mess, no dust. Just peel, apply, and smooth it out. Plus, it's quiet, so your customers won't be disturbed during the process. Bodaq film is water-resistant, easy to clean, and with Class A fire retardancy, it meets ASTM safety standards. Now, watch how we transform these doors in just a matter of hours. Hotels need solutions that are fast, cost-effective, and built to last. With a 2 to 5 business day lead time, 450 designs to choose from, and professional installation, we make refinishing easy and affordable. Upgrade, refinish, and transform with Bodaq Interior Film.